every single one of the things that you see here is money in the bank. You act on this, it drives an actual outcome. And what I want you to notice here is we're doing it for multiple members of your revenue team, because revenue is a team sport. You heard David talk about that. You've heard Ellie talk about that. This is what you want, and it is not what you have been given. And this is what we're going to bring to you. Because the next revolution in revenue is driving consistency and repeatability across your team every single day. And that requires real, actionable insights. And to do that, I'm excited to introduce you to Salesloft Arc, our next generation insights engine for revenue teams. Just as we modernized sales action with rhythm, we're going to modernize sales insight with Arc. And when you put Arc and rhythm together, we can bridge insight to action to outcome in a way that no one else can. Now, it would be remiss if I did not show you how this works. So when you think about Arc, what I want you to think about is this. It is your revenue command center. You are finally going to get a single place to see your entire revenue motion. And I'm talking about from first touch to renewal to expansion. Because at the end of the day, time is the most scarce resource in a revenue organization. You need to know what to do and why to do it and for exactly which thing. You do not have time to go sifting through data. You need to know exactly where to spend your time. And that's exactly what we're going to do for you here. So you're going to get a holistic view here. But the key is, it's not just about showing you the end-to-end, it's showing you where your time should go. So these insights, they are actionable and they tie directly to what drives revenue for you. And I want to be very specific here. What drives revenue for you? This is not one size fits all. We are building this to adjust to your business. And not just your business globally, your business by segment and by team. Because that is what you actually need. Now, behind the scenes, we have been building to be able to do this for years. To make this happen, we're going to bring in more signals and richer data about your business. And what that means is we will be pulling in new unstructured types of data like call recordings, emails, text messages, as well as more account information, stage-to-stage progression rates, close rates, and more. And all of that information, it's going to get ingested by purpose-built AI models. And these AI models are designed, as I mentioned, for your business. We are tailoring for you because what you do is not the same across the room. If you sell pharmaceuticals, you have a very different sales cycle to someone that is selling enterprise software. Those are different businesses. And by the way, I know that for sure. I've been in enterprise software my entire career. My dad spent 40 years selling pharmaceuticals. I promise you, they're very different. So you need advice that is tailored to your business. And that is what we're going to give you here. Now, here's how we're going to bring this all together for you. So we've talked a little bit about rhythm today. So rhythm today brings in signals from partners and other people across the ecosystem, as well as all of the activities that we can see. And then it ranks and prioritizes all of those signals using our proprietary Conductor AI model. That model produces a prioritized list of action for your sellers. That means each seller on the team knows exactly what they should do to be more successful. With Arc, in our next generation insights, we are taking this to the next level. We are giving you a machine to get better every single day. The way I like to think of this myself is I call it a winning machine. And that is a perpetually improving revenue organization where each day we ingest more data, we learn from it, and we immediately give you better recommendations because of that. And we adapt to the changes you are seeing in your market. That is what you need to be successful today, and that is what we are going to do for you.